Yes, we have kids around. So kids, actually parents, if you feel easily offended or if you think that's not for you, the ship is big, it's huge, right? Please, I cannot say what I want, but please, just go, right? So just to be mindful, sorry, just kidding, but be mindful, this is an open area, and also I'm not responsible for what they will do, okay? Please do not do anything that will put you in jail, okay? Okay, everybody, let's go for the next contestant. Not about Florida.